Right, we have here the new generation of battery operating suction unit from Kami. So we're gonna focus today on the Askir 36 Leon. Just briefly, as all the suction unit we have with battery, they work in three modes. One is with the main electricity. So when you plug this to the electricity, it works 24 hours non-stop. It's a continuous mode. Then you have the 12V. So this one you connect to the cigarette lighter. So you can use in ambulance, you can use a car.
Yeah.
And then you have the battery. This battery will work 70 minutes. Before going into the battery, let's just see, as usual, how to connect the tubes. So you have two small tubes. One goes into the machine and the other in the vacuum. The vacuum is where you have the overflow valve. And then they are connected together through a filter, antibacterial filter. So which you have one mechanical protection in the jar and one mechanical and antibacterial protection with the filter.
All these parts are standard accessories, right?
All these parts are standard accessories, and then you have a long tube for the patient, which ends in a conical connector, where
To
you can
fit cannulas.
fit any kind of cannulas. Now let's see, the interesting feature of this machine is the lithium battery. So it's very light. The machine is just around 3 kilos something. So it's very light. With the lithium battery you can recharge 50% more than the normal lead batteries. And then we upgrade the main board with some extra features. The famous proximity we put already in the Askir 30 now is also available on the 36 Leon. So you can activate and deactivate the machine touchless. So that's very nice because you avoid contaminating and touching the machine. And then you can activate and deactivate simply pressing on the button.
Okay.
But then you can hear something different from the other products.
Yeah, it looks very like as if it was a weak motor, very
Yes.
weak.
We upgrade the system with the board. So you can see now the machine is like in a sleep mode.
Yeah.
The machine is operating, is working, is ready to go, but you are reducing the noise and saving the battery. How it works? When you need, so when you activate
The vacuum,
the vacuum, when there is a sensor which will perceive that there's something to be sucked, and the machine goes immediately to the highest speed.
Yeah.
Then you stop, it will decrease and go
Without
second.
switching off.
So in this way it can last around 4 hours in this sleep mode, while you are using at the top speed it will be 70 minutes.
Okay, so 70 minutes to 4 hours, it's the autonomy of the battery, depending on which power you are using.
So if we just look at the classical Kami suction unit with the lead battery, like this one, so you can see that there's no proximity, and this, like all the machine in the market, when you activate, they will go immediately at the top.
Yeah, you can hear the difference.
So regardless to what you are using, or if you just need to suck few seconds and then stop but keep it ready to go, all the machine in the market and all the Askir lead battery, they will go immediately at the top. And if you compare the noise level you have with the 36 Leon,
Sure.
and the upgrading technology is very pretty much evident.
And I'm sure this extends the life, the general life of the battery.
Exactly. Length, and then being in lithium you can recharge like 50% more.
Okay. Going back to the mains, when you use it with the mains, with the transformer, I think this is universal, right? You can use it with any voltage and any cycle,
Exactly.
no matter where you are in the world.
From 100 to 240,
Yeah.
and 50, 60 hertz. So it's very flexible.
Okay.
And you will see that there is also a LED on the machine explaining you the status of the battery.
Okay.
So this is plugged. You can see the green light on the recharger, like every
Like a laptop.
laptop. And then you will see the battery clinking. It means that it is recharging. This color will be green when it's full charge, yellow when it's like medium, and then gonna be red.
Okay.
When you have red, you still have 5 minutes left, and you will also have a acoustic alarm indicating that the machine is going to
like a beep.
It's going to end the battery.
Okay. Interesting.